The 5S system, a workplace organization method aimed at improving efficiency, reducing waste, and enhancing safety. The 5S system, a simple way to improve workplace efficiency. By the end of this training, you will understand the 5S system and its importance in workplace efficiency. Learn the 5 steps of the 5S system: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Recognize the benefits of implementing 5S in various work environments. Identify ways to maintain and improve workplace organization continuously. Here are the 5 essential steps of the 5S system. Sort, Siri, remove unnecessary items. How to sort. Identify and remove unnecessary items from your workspace. Action. Keep only what is essential for daily tasks. Set in order, Seaton. Organize everything properly. How to set in order. Organize tools and materials for easy access. Action. Use labels and proper storage systems. Shine, Sizo. Keep the workplace clean. How to shine. Maintain cleanliness in your workspace. Action. Regularly clean to enhance safety and efficiency. Standardize, Saiketsu. Create consistent work practices. How to standardize. Establish consistent work practices. Action. Create clear guidelines and schedules. Sustain, Shitsuke. Maintain and improve continuously. How to sustain. Maintain and improve organization continuously. Action. Conduct regular inspections and training. Now let's explore real-world examples of 5S in action. A factory before and after implementing 5S, showcasing improvements. Pause and observe. Notice the disorganization before 5S implementation. Your action should be: implement 5S and observe the transformation. An office struggling with clutter and how 5S resolved these issues. Pause and analyze. Identify clutter in an office environment. Your action should be: apply 5S to streamline office operations. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. 5S is essential for creating an efficient and safe workplace. Regular maintenance of organization leads to long-term benefits. Employee involvement is crucial for successful implementation of 5S. Start implementing 5S today for a safer, more efficient, and productive workplace. Thank you for being a part of our 5S training session.